Today we're running through a step up. Subscribe to our channel for more nutrition, exercise tips, and more. The step up is an awesome lower body movement. You can see straight from the side here, it's almost like the bottom position of a squat. So it's a great way to train one leg at a time of a similar movement to the squat, assuming you're not performing the movement like an idiot. So when performing the step up, you should be shifting most of your weight into that front foot. You should not be jumping off that back foot. One tip I like to think of is almost pulling your toes off the floor with that back foot and then shifting your weight into the front foot as you drive up with that elevated leg. If the box is too high for your strength, you could see a hip shift where your hips kick up and back and then you finally stand up vertically at the top. That means you're not strong enough or the box is too high. Lower that box so you can perform that exercise at a high level. You can load this movement using a safety squat bar, a dumbbell, a kettlebell, however you please, but I would progress slowly. So start with the basics, body weight, where you're not jumping off your back foot, and that's going to be the best way to develop single leg strength on the step up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and smash the like button, smash it. For more information, comment below with what you want to see. We are here to help, and so we'll talk to you soon with whatever that needs to look like.